is sweet. I think that is so smart. Oh, that is sick. Hello everyone, Andy here. So welcome to another video on the ST. So actually before I start getting into this video, it's a bit of a big thank you I suppose to hitting 100 subs on the channel. It happened quite quickly, which was awesome. I'd love it to grow, you know, I'd love to hit that 1000 milestone. I don't know if to do a sort of little separate video on it, but I just thought while it's in my head, I just wanted to mention it to those who actually do watch these videos. So yeah, big thank you to subscribing, liking, comment, etc. Really appreciate it. So the video today is going to be about this, which is the sequential LED side indicators or repeaters. I'm not sure one's American or European. Well, let's do a little unbox. So this is how it arrived from eBay. Trying to do this with one hand. So get it out of the bag. Okay, so there's not actually a lot you can really say about this. It's basically just a plastic housing with, I'm guessing, the LED strip should be running along the sort of horizontal of this, and you've got a connector at the back. So let's go outside and fit these and see what they look like. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is try and pop these off. What I'm actually going to do, I'm just going to give this all a bit of a clean. Okay, that's nice to know now that this whole area is nice and clean. So I guess you just unplug the bulb, because that is what we're going to be using. Let's connect to that. So as you can see, that's what it looks like. So let me just, while I've got this plugged in, I'm just going to try it. Whoa, that is sweet. What I'm going to do is actually just put the hazards on. Oh, that is sick. So I'm thinking what to do, front to back, or I think that way. Yeah, I'm going to go from the back of the car looking forward. So slot that in. And click and remove. How cool does that look? It looks like it's part of the sort of bodywork now. The black against the black looks so smart, and that is really nice and bright. What do you think to the idea of having it from the back to the front, or do you do it from front to the back? It's easy, you can just swap it over. I was just kind of thinking back of the car to the front of the car. But look at that compared to the standard ones. Excuse the car is dirty. Look at that, it looks awful. It just stands out so much against that, and it makes the car look even dated as well, and that little bulb actually isn't even that bright compared to that. I think that is so smart. Kind of modernizes the car. I'm actually sort of more pleased than I thought would be, really more happy with that mod. I'm pleasantly surprised. So if you are in the market to look at getting one of these, then I'll put a link in the description. It arrived very, very fast, so I can highly recommend it. Hopefully they do last quite a long time. You know, it's not something that's just going to break quite quickly, and I think for the price it's a nice little mod, especially if you've got a sort of dark theme with your ST as well, or even if not, I think you can get the clear versions of these LEDs, but I think against the black it had to be the smoked ones. So thanks everyone for watching this video. Let me know what you think of these. I am massively happy with them. Such a cheap little quick mod, and I think really changes the kind of look of the front sort of angle of the car. Yeah, if you're new to the channel, always feel free to subscribe, keep up to date with the project of the car. Let me know actually what you think of the project so far. If you haven't seen the first video, it would be good to watch the first video, see what I've done from what I said I wanted to do. Let me know if you're enjoying it. Right, I'm going to leave the video there. Hopefully it's quite short and sweet. So yeah, thanks again for watching, and see you all again soon.